Hearth store, and in this video I'm going to show you just how easy it is to install your T-shaped hearth. The first thing you need to do is make sure that the area is dust free, so you need to sweep and hoover up and then lay any floor protection if required. Before you mix your sand and cement, we recommend dry fitting your hearth to ensure it fits correctly and to see how level it sits. If you have a nice level subfloor, you can use tile adhesive with a 5 to 10mm notch trowel, but we recommend sand and cement. The mix should be 5 to 1, so 5 scoops of sharp sand and 1 scoop of cement. Thoroughly mix the sand and cement whilst dry, and then add water to get the correct consistency. When laying a two-piece hearth, we recommend using a little extra cement for the back half so it sits slightly higher. This will enable you to level and fit the heavier front half and then level the back half to it. Now lay a 25mm bed of your mix, roughly the same shape as the hearth, and rough the surface of the bed with a trowel. Now lay the front half and tap down all over to level and ensure a good bond. You can now tap down the back half level with the front and clean down.